I want to talk about a very controversial matter. Something that I think that's kind of being overlooked under the radar. Like I say, I like to go find the things that's deep within and bring them to the forefront so we can really deal with them. Because you can't deal with nothing when you're dealing from the surface. You have to go deep within. I want to talk about the death of black civil rights. Yes, let me say that again. The death of black civil rights. Once upon a time, we had black civil rights. And the rights was given to black people. And we fought and we marched for those very rights. For we can have rights. For we can have equal equality in this so-called country called the United States of America. We fought hard. We bled. We even lost our lives, got attacked. We did all kinds of things and took all kinds of sacrifices in order to get the rights that we have today. The problem is about that is that the people that founded the movement and the people that was the very frontiers of the black civil rights movement has moved towards a different type of philosophy. They moved in a direction of helping the homosexuals, helping the Hispanics, helping immigration, helping everybody but the very people that founded it and the very reason why it was founded in the first place. And that's why you see the death of black civil rights. That's why we have no say. We can't ask for nothing. We can't really even address our own president because black civil rights is dying by the day. Matter of fact, it's on its very last leg. Even the NAACP, or whatever you want to call them, said that we're no longer just going to fight for black people. We're going to fight for the rights of everybody. I'm going to tell you where the problem comes in when it comes to that. Everybody else don't need civil rights like we do. That's the reason why we came out with the black civil rights movement in the first place, because we were the people that really needed it. So now you're going to tell me that all of these other people need it too. The problem is that now we spend so much time on making sure they have rights, we forgot about our own rights. And that's the very reason why black civil rights is dying. That's the reason why you don't hear about it no more. That's the reason why they done watered it down with this so-called rainbow of reasons. We can't ask for anything anymore because the first thing they will say is, well, you know, black civil rights really don't exist anymore. We're fighting for everybody. Which gives a good reason to put us back on the back burner once again. So the very thing that we fought for, we're now being discriminated by it. Meaning that we are in the back seat when it comes to civil rights. We are the last people that they address. We are the last people that can even ask for rights. It doesn't make no sense to be the founders of civil rights, but yet can't enjoy them. And that's what happens when we as black people forget that black civil rights was very important. When we toss that out the window, the day they said that they would no longer fight for just black people, they're going to spread civil rights onto everyone. Then you know the end to black civil rights has begun. The death to black civil rights is already being implemented right to this day. So we have to be outraged. We have to hold them accountable and say, hell no. We're tired of this. Because I'll be damned if I'm finna go back and sit in the back of the bus once again. Like, subscribe. One love.